Hey you guys, so welcome back. Welcome to WIG-MAS. So today I'm reviewing this wig here. It is so pretty. I think you guys are really going to love the color, the texture, and the styling options. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we have, of course, another wig review. Yay! So I'm super excited today because the wig that I have comes to us from the Red Carpet collection, which I think is purchased by Main Gang or one of those companies now. But anyway, I haven't reviewed a wig from this company in so long. So as I said, the name of this wig is Wendy, and it is from the Red Carpet collection. This one is a 13x7 Limitless parting wig. It is the wig, and as you can see, this color screams fall. It is so pretty. I absolutely love it. It's like a brown, and it's also like a burgundy. It's just really pretty. It reminds me of a mocha or a chocolate. It's just gorgeous, you guys. So I love that. What I love most about the wig was that the hairline on it looked really good, like you could work with it. So look at that, is the hairline there. So let me turn it inside out for you. As you can see, this is all 13 going back, and then it claims to have 7 on the side, but I don't know. I don't know if that's 7. That's 2 finger lengths on the side as far as pulling it back. But I still think obviously we can work with it. You're gonna get 2 combs in the front. Again, normal cap construction, a comb in the back, and then you have 2 adjustable straps here on the side. Now in the back here, you're going to get a darker color, so it's already kind of sticking, but I don't know if that's just because it was in the box, so that might be that. I do see small hairs on the side. I'm not sure why they have those there. So those are the small hairs on the side, but let's go ahead on, cut off the lace, tin it. Okay guys, so as I'm putting this wig on, I realized that it is pretty big. The sides come down really past my ears or on my ears, which that can be annoying. You can cut into the wig to remedy that. So this wig, I would have to say, is definitely big head friendly. The wig is also pretty long, so if you don't like big hair and you don't like long hair, you may not like this one. I think that this wig has so much potential because I think even if you don't like it long, you can go in and you can cut it and you can shape it and make it look really good. And depending on what color you get, and if you want to pluck the hairline some more, you can definitely make this wig work out, you know, very well for you, especially for the price. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna put it down a little bit. Now I feel like you guys always know my struggle. My hair, my edges come out like pretty far. So I try not to have these wigs like touching my eyebrows, and it's no shade. If you want them on there, girl, put them on there. But sometimes I feel like I pull mine down way too far, but I have to because I don't want it to, you know, be close to my hairline. I did not do a ball cap method or anything like that. That will help out some if you're like me and you have your, you know, your natural edges just come down a little more. I went in and I just molded it just a little bit. One side always comes out better than the other, no matter, you know, how much I pray. It just does that sometimes. So after I molded it with a little bit of mousse and I molded it with some gel, I went in with my Even New York wig spray, and I also went in with a little bit of powder. That's just to hold it, to make it blend in, and then I tied it up. And after I tied it up, I think that's where the magic happened because it looked good. And then later on, I went in the bathroom and I kind of cut the sides down. The lace isn't the best on this, so you don't get that natural scalp look. Okay guys, so this is going to be the final look for this. I'm trying to pull out the hair to the front so you can see it. So as you can see, this hair is big. It's definitely not going to be for everybody, but I do love the hair. I didn't cut it. I feel like if I was to wear it, I would definitely trim it or try to style it, put it in some style. I feel like this part is pretty long, so I would come in here and chop this down, maybe add some layers to it or something like that. But wearing it like this is still cute. Now, what I'm going to tell you guys is, of course, I have pros and I have cons. So pros to this is that you do get plenty of parting area. This color is really nice, and the hairline on it isn't horrible. I mean, it's not the best, it's not horrible. And you do get baby hair, so you can kind of finagle it a little bit, put a little powder, put a little spray, and you can get away with a pretty
easy look. Now the cons to it is, one, is going to be a big mane. If you're buying it, obviously you're buying it because you want more hair, or you want something that's nice and thick and gives you that lioness look. Now the next thing is going to be the texture. This is textured, so if you do not like textured hair, you're not going to like this. I tend to like the hair textured, so I'm glad that if they did, since they did make it more like a crimped, or like yeah, like crimped, that is more that 80s vibe, maybe that Whitney Houston vibe. I feel like I'm glad that it was textured, because if it wasn't textured, I've seen in the past when it's that like slick type, it just doesn't last. I don't know, it looks very plasticky. Next thing is, it is top heavy. What I mean by that is, where the closure is up here, you're going to get a lot of fullness. They put filler hairs in here. I do not know why they did that, because they wouldn't have needed any of that, but they did. So at the base, it gives it that lift, and that's what you're getting. So if you want to go in and cut some hair out, you probably can still do that. Like I said, if you want to alter this wig in a way that when you wear it, it just fits you best, you probably can do that, I'm pretty sure. But like I said, I like the big mane. I like how big the hair is. I'm just wishing, I'm glad that I got in this color, but I wish I would have got like in a black color, because, or maybe a 1B or 2, because then it would look real natural, or maybe possibly like my hair faux. But otherwise, it's really cute. Let me know if you guys like it. I'm probably late to this one, but I do think it's another great option for fall. The color, the amount of hair you get, and the price is not that bad. So thank y'all so much for pulling up on the sister. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.